Hey guys, my name's Colin. We're sitting outside of the Rook and Pawn in downtown Athens, and we're going to read a little book today that I got called Colin Collects Colors. And my name's Colin. You can clearly see I need to collect some colors today. I only found black this morning when I was getting dressed. But like I said, we're sitting outside of the Rook and Pawn on our patio in front of this beautiful colored background painted by one of our local artists. Rook and Pawn's a little board game cafe. We do a little bit of everything here, but mostly we're all about board games. So I hope you come down and check us out sometime, play some games with us. But, like I said, we're reading Colin Collects Colors by Jess McGeachin. So let's get started. This is Colin, and Colin's world is gray, full of suits and ties on a wet and windy day. So Colin packs a bag, for now he's on a quest. Colin collects colors, and he needs to find the rest. Deep within the jungle, where some remain unseen, insects creep, others sleep, and Colin finds his green. Green's one of my favorite colors. In the grassy plains, a lion roars, "Hello!" But Colin doesn't understand and runs away with yellow. In the darkest cave, further and further down, a cozy bear lies snoring while Colin finds his brown. Next to find his orange, Colin knows where to look. Through the autumn woods by a cool and shady brook. At the bottom of the sea, where strange creatures glow, a hidden treasure lies waiting for Colin. It's indigo! In the snowy Arctic, Colin gets a fright. The ice begins to crack, so he slips away with white. Look at all these little penguins back in here. In the dusty outback, the sun burns overhead. A spiky lizard warms herself, and Colin leaves with red. And as the sun starts to set, the stars begin to wink. Flamingos dance, and just by chance, Colin finds his pink. Colin looks up at the sky and stares at the unknown. There he finds his darkest black, and then he heads for home. But then disaster strikes as Colin slips and falls. His colors are sent flying. They hit the floor and walls. But all is not lost. Colin's colors mix together. They spread across the city and change his world forever. And that's our book today, guys. Thank y'all for joining us. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.